In this video, you'll learn how to add product images on Stan Store. By following these steps, you will successfully upload images that customers can view on your product page. Begin by navigating to the left sidebar of your Stan Store dashboard. Look for the option labeled My Store and click on it. This action will take you to the main area where all your products are listed. After accessing your store, locate the button labeled Plus Add Product. If you wish to edit an existing product instead, simply select that product from the list. Clicking on Plus Add Product will open a new product setup page. In the product set interface, scroll down until you find the section titled Images Upload. This section is specifically designated for adding visual content to your product. It is important to ensure that you are in the correct area before proceeding. Within the Images Upload section, you will see a button that says Upload. Click on this button to initiate the image selection process. A file dialog will appear, allowing you to browse your computer for the images you wish to upload. Supported formats include JPG and PNG. Once you have selected your images, confirm your choices and proceed to click the button labeled Save Publish. This action will save your changes and make the images available on your product page. It is essential to wait for a confirmation message indicating that the upload has been successful. After completing these steps, navigate to your product page. You will find that the images you uploaded are now visible for customers to view. This visual representation enhances the shopping experience and can influence purchasing decisions.